Everywhere you look right now, people are saying we're heading towards a bubble. The headlines, the tweets, the charts, all pointing to one thing.
That the U.S. stock market may be following in the footsteps of past market crashes.
More heart palpitations.
Stocks have been on a tear this week.
Joining us right now to take a look
This
at
economists say today's AI
the whole
bubble.
bubble trouble, as we learned in 2000.
Maybe they're right, but if history taught us anything, it's that fear usually sounds the loudest right before opportunity. Now, some companies might be overvalued, but this video isn't about stock picking or timing the market. It's about peace of mind in a world that profits from panic. Right now, the stock market is being carried by a tiny group of companies, the so-called Magnificent Seven. Together, they make up more than a third of the entire S&P 500 index. Nvidia alone is almost 10%. And here's where it gets interesting. These companies don't just dominate the index, they run on each other. The same chips, clouds and data centers connect them all. One company's growth literally fuels the next. One bad report, one bad call, and the share price feels it. And when one of them stumbles, the entire market feels it. But here's what no one's really talking about. Look at this chart from Coronation. If you missed the best 25 days in the market over the last 30 years, you'd be 4 times worse off compared to someone who simply stayed invested. 25 of the best days, over more than 7,400 trading days. Your growth drops from 14%, look at this, your growth drops from 14% to only 8.7%. It's just insane. Same market, same time frame, only difference, patience. Volatility feels like a storm. The boat rocks, the waves rise, and you want to jump. But it's not the waves that sink the ship. It's when you jump out. You need to be in the boat to reach your destination. Now, the current AI boom feels a lot like the modern day gold rush. Most prospectors never struck gold, but the people selling the picks and shovels build empires. Today, those picks and shovels are the companies and resources that power these innovations. And it's not just AI. We're entering an age of 3 massive innovations: bioengineering, clean energy, and artificial intelligence. Even here at home in South Africa, patience is starting to pay off. Once written off as the fallen angel, is now slowly becoming a rising star. There's a lot to be excited about, and the opportunity is real, but so is the risk. That is why it's so important to diversify and have a good fund manager. No 2 fund managers see the world the same, but that's the point. A good fund manager's job isn't to predict the next bubble, it's to steer you through it. None of us can predict the future. What matters is how we respond. Diversify, stay patient, and let the professionals do their work. Because in the long run, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market.